Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to view all installed drivers in Windows 10 or 11. So this is very easy and simple method to view all installed drivers in Windows 10 or 11. So firstly you need to search CMD and right click on command prompt. Click on run as administrators. It asks permission, so click on yes. Now here need to type drivers QUERY. So simply type this driver QUERY and press enter in your keyboard. You see this all driver list. You see. You see this all drivers list. There is model name, display name. You see this is a display name and driver type. You see this file system and you see all information. This drivers all information you see here. Link date. So all detail will be showing. You need to simply type driver QUERY and press enter. So you all driver list. You see this all driver list. So this way you can easily view all installed driver in Windows 11 or 10. So thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.